I'm going to play outside for a while. What the heck is this? Why is there a strange portal in my backyard? Now I'm very curious what's in this portal. But what place is this? Wait, are those green pigs? And those are colorful birds. So that means I'm an angry bird. To be honest, it's not bad, it's amazing. While I'm here, I'm going to use my old gun that I used to shoot my evil twin and save my friends. So let me aim at the pigs and... Yay, I hit the pigs!
Thank you for defeating the pig brown bar with a...
You're welcome, and my name is Playermega.
Thank you for speaking your name, but we have to save our eggs because the pig king takes the eggs.
So, what are you waiting for? Let's go save the eggs.
Damn, the door's locked.
Let me solve this. Now let's go inside. We got here.
We got you!
Not today. Oh no, this gun is out of bullets. Oh damn, we got stuck. Is there a way out of here?
I know a way.
So, what's the way?
I'll call the bomb to service.
Could it be?
She says so.
Thanks for saving us, bombs, but we gotta get the odds and get out of here.
So what are you waiting for?
We got you brown.
Get out of here, happy little birds and your brown ball!
But just let us get the odds, bomb, get the vision. Finally, he's gone. Now get the odds and let's get out of here. I'm very happy to have fun with you birds.
Me too.
Looks like that morning portal came back.
Looks like my time to go. Bye, people. One day we'll meet again. Home sweet home. Why, there's a picture of me on the post.